just that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we will be showing you how to make a presentation right from your phone that you can display at your upcoming wedding or event. And we're going to use a few apps today, and they're both free, and you can again use this on your phone. I do have an iPhone, so I'm pretty sure this stuff will also work on Android, and I know for a fact Canva is available on a laptop. I'm not too sure about Vlogstar, but today this is everything that you can do. Make a presentation on your phone, so you don't even have to leave your room. You don't even have to get up to do anything, but make sure that your phone is charged. So let's get started in making this presentation. So like I said before, we're just going to click Canva, and in the search bar right here, we're just going to click wedding. We're going to do wedding Instagram post, and we're just going to find a random Instagram post or something that you all like. And if you buy anything off Creative Market, sometimes they depending on who you buy from, their templates automatically open up in Canva, and they have thousands of different wedding templates that you can choose from. But for this sake of this video, we are just going to choose this one right here, and we're going to change that image. So just find an image in your camera roll of you and your significant other. So I'm just going to, I already did this presentation before, but it got kind of messed up, so I'm just going to fix it up so it could fit again. So I'm just going to use that image, and we're going to hit download. We're going to hit that gray downwards arrow, and we're just going to let it download. And the font and stuff is changeable. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can customize whatever the wording is. And Canva is normally not the slow, it's just probably my phone. I have a lot of stuff on my phone, but like I said before, this stuff right here is you can change. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna leave it as is. But you can you just have to click it a couple times in order for it to go. But all this right here is, you can change it, change the font, make it bigger, what have you. And you can do all this for right here. This is all the fonts that they have. This is the colors, the size, and if you want your actual keyboard. And then this is just if you want to add other stuff. So we're just going to go back. And I already have other pictures downloaded, but I wanted to also download something else just to add in to the presentation. So this is all just a sample presentation. This is not really me. I got all these pictures from Unsplash. So like again, this is all customizable. You can take out, delete, whatever. But I already have this downloaded to my phone, so I'm not going to download it again. So this is Canva. So now we're going to go over to Vlogstar, and we're going to start a new project. I already went on to YouTube to find the Wedding March song, just for the sake of this video. But if you do choose to use other music from YouTube, just kind of add like the copyright information in there somewhere, just in case if you decide to put it on your YouTube channel, put it on Facebook or something like that. Always try to include like the copyright information, so that way, especially if it's like an actual song, like the Wedding March song is a popular song, so you don't necessarily have to do the copyright stuff, I don't think. But for like songs like from artists that have words and stuff, and especially like if you plan on uploading your presentation to any type of social media site, always make sure to include the copyright information. And even if you plan on doing this on a larger scale, actually having your presentation up on a wall or something, always just try to include it somewhere so nothing doesn't come back to you. because you used the video. So we are going to go over to photos, and we're going to click the images that we have, you know, downloaded, created on a Canva, or maybe that you already have on your phone. So I'm just going to click these 4 right here. And as you see, you can click it on however order you choose to. So I'm just going to do something like this. And then I'm going to go back to video, and I'm going to get the wedding march song that I already pre-recorded or screen recorded off of YouTube. I'm just going to hit add this big red button in the lower right hand corner, and you can choose whatever canvas ratio that you need for the sake of this video. In general, I normally just stick it to keep it as is. So this is what it looks like, and you can just hit this. So right now we're going to pull the audio off the wedding march song and delete the actual clip. So we're going to go down here, and we're going to hit detach audio, which is like this little clip thing next to the snowflake. And we're going to actually move it over to like towards the beginning. And then we're going to go back to this clip and then delete it. And now this should play for a little bit, since I only recorded a little bit of it, of the wedding march song. So let's see. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we will be showing you, you know what, I actually got to move this because it's going to start talking. So like, and so this is all talking, so I'm just going to do the ratio that you need for the sake of this video. You know what, let me just add a clip, add something really quickly. I'll just put this back there, and I'll literally move this right there to that last clip. So download it, create it on a Canva, or maybe that you already have on your phone. So I'm just going to click these 4 right here, and as you see, you can click it on however order you choose to. So I'm just going to do something like this, and then I'm going to go back to video, and I'm going to get the wedding march song that I already pre-recorded or screen recorded off of YouTube. I'm just going to hit add this big red button in the lower right hand corner, and you can choose whatever canvas ratio that you need for the sake of this video. In general, I normally just stick it to keep it as is. So this is what it looks like, and you can just hit this. And obviously you record it for much longer, but for the sake of the video, I just did like a short version of it. But for any type of presentation, you can make the song as long as you choose to play for the whole presentation, or maybe you want to add different music in there, different audio clips. So that's all you have to do is just detach the audio from the actual clip. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing more tutorials on how to do stuff from your phone that makes your life a little bit easier when you're planning and creating your upcoming wedding or event.